Understanding the phrase, milk it. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a fun English phrase, milk it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the word milk by itself. Milk is a white liquid produced by mammals like cows, goats, and humans. It's a source of nutrition and is often consumed as a drink or used in various dishes. When we say milk as a verb, it refers to the act of extracting milk from an animal. For example, she milks the cows every morning. Now, when we say milk it in a figurative sense, we don't mean actually getting milk from an animal. Instead, it means to take advantage or make the most out of a situation, often for longer than necessary. It's like squeezing every last drop out of a situation to benefit from it. For instance, if someone gets a minor injury and they keep talking about it for weeks to get attention or sympathy, you might say, "He's really milking it." Let's look at some more examples to better understand this phrase. 1. In a work setting, if someone gets praised for a project and keeps bringing it up in meetings, you might whisper to a colleague, "She's milking her success, isn't she?" 2. In sports, a team might milk the clock by taking their time when they're ahead, hoping to run out the clock and secure their lead. 3. In everyday life, if a child gets a candy for doing a small task and then keeps doing that minimal task expecting more rewards, they're trying to milk it. Just like many English idioms, there are variations to the phrase, milk it. Here are a couple. 1. Milk it for all it's worth. This means to get as much benefit as possible from a situation. 2. Milk something dry. This is an exaggerated way to say someone has taken everything they possibly can from a situation, leaving nothing left. And there we have it. Now you know what milk it means in English. It's all about getting the most out of a situation, sometimes more than what might seem reasonable. We hope you found this explainer helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using milk it like a native speaker. Happy learning!